All right, guys, happy Monday. We just made it to our second job. We're out here in Cummings. This is well, not the residence, but this is Mrs. Holly. Mrs. Holly was actually recommended to me by Mark, the house right there. We did Mark's floors about a month ago, and he did the screen and recoat with the UV cure. This house is going on the market. We're just going to be doing a screen and recoat, no UV cure. I also had a consultation come in today in Milton, and they put their house on the market, and she said, Courtney, watching your videos after going to your website, that's exactly what we need. So I'm gonna after we do the coating here, we're going to shoot up to Milton, do a consultation. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around, show you what we're going to be doing today. All right, so it was raining earlier most of the day, but now it is going to be a beautiful week. So let me show you what we're going to be doing. So again, this client, the real estate agent, okay, which is Gail, referred me to Mark, and Mark referred me to Holly. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. A little bit over 700 square feet. Screen and recoat, $250 a square foot, engineered floors. And this is what we're going to be doing, guys. Just bringing these floors back to life, putting some life back into these floors, doing some little minor color correction. Here you can see where the joints kind of meet, how the color has come off. So we're going to be adding some color back to those areas. So basically it was almost the same layout as the house next door. So we're going to be screening this area, this whole area right here. And again, this house is also going on the market. And then this little area right here, little area right here, and going out. All right, guys, Tavares is setting up the equipment. Tavares is vacuuming the floor. Now we are cleaning tacking, and after cleaning tack, we're going to do a little color correction and then get the coating down. And that job that I have to go look at in Milton is actually only about 20 minutes from here, 7 miles. So that's perfect timing, so we can go do that consultation and then come back here and get the results. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, look at that beautiful sunset. We just came from Milton. Client did a consultation. She wasn't there, but she accepted the quote. It's going to be about almost 1,000 square feet screen and recoat with no UV cure. They're moving out, screen and recoat at $2.50 per square foot. Also, we had a concrete job cleaning basement. Most people find me on YouTube for that, and they also booked for Thursday. So again, we are totally booked out all this week, all next week, and also the first 2 days of the last week of March. We also had a potential client drove up, say they have the same issues with these floors. So I gave them a card. They're going to send me pictures. So anyway, guys, let's go in here and see how these floors came out. Look amazing. Amazing. And yeah, look at that. All right, took my shoes off. Oh yeah, floors look great. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. We are tomorrow I have 2 consultations, and guess what, they're both in Brazelton and Chateau Elan. That is a country club community. And we got to go do a job in Greenville, South Carolina. Someone that found me on YouTube, screen and recoat with UV cure. And yeah, that's our date for tomorrow. All right, guys. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Amazing. All right, guys. See you in the next one.